Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. The project we're going to talk about in this video is called UNS. Now, this is a BEP20 token. Basically, this is a project on the Binance Smart network that we're going to talk about in this video, which basically aims to establish itself as a versatile utility token that is across multiple sectors. Now, its primary objective is to build an ecosystem that will provide a range of services starting with the UNS exchange. But in contrast to other exchange tokens that only serves as a utility token within the exchange, the UNS token is designed to deliver value beyond the exchange. Now, it will become a crucial part of day-to-day transactions in various sectors, including education, healthcare, agriculture, and energy. And the UNS token will also be used in the UNS store and the UNS staking platform, which we're going to take a look at. And we're actually going to, I'm personally going to invest into it. I'm going to, demonstrate on how you can buy the UNS token, how you can stake them, and how much we can earn through it. We're going to go through the whole, mechanism. So make sure that you keep on watching for that. Now, it is offering its users with a range of incentives, such as free reductions, airdrops, launch rewards, and passive income streams. Now, as UNS partners with other projects across various sectors, deliberate incentive system will be established to benefit the UNS token holders, which makes it a very valuable token to hold in the long run. And that's what we're going to do in this video. So without wasting any time, we're going to get into the video. We're going to take a look at how we can buy the UNS token and how we can stake them, how much we'll be able to earn through it. So let's get right into it. But if you want to invest into it, you have to do your own investigation research, because I'm not giving a financial advice. This is not an investment advice. So before you do anything, make sure that you do your own investigation research. I'll give you guys links that will be in the description, so make sure to get that. And yeah, now let's actually get into the video. Now here's the page that we have. It says UNS Digital Technologies Private Limited. It says UNS is focused on building partnerships with various organizations, especially in essential sectors, agriculture through hydroponic farming, education, solar energy, healthcare, and crypto exchange. We have talked about the introduction of it, so we're gonna move ahead. Now, first thing we need to do is connect our wallet. I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet. So you'll simply click MetaMask. If you haven't logged in, you need to put your password in, which I'm going to do that right now. And once you have put that in, click on unlock. Now, it may take some time to load if your internet is probably slow, but you can see right now I already have bought like $50 worth of it, so I'm gonna purchase more. You can see the price of one UNS token and how much you can get for one USDT, because we will be using USDT to get a UNS token. So the minimum purchase amount is 50 USDT, and when you use 50 USDT, you get 900 UNS token. But the minimum UNS that you need in order to stake is 1000 UNS. So that becomes, I think, probably like $60 that you need minimum that if you want to stake. So I already bought $50 worth of it. I'm gonna go for more. You can either manually select any amount right here, whether it's 50, whether it is 60, whether it is 70, whether it is 80, that's basically up to you. So I already bought 50, I'm gonna buy 50 more. Basically, I'm gonna invest like $100 into it and see how that goes. So when you select it, you click on enable USDT. It's gonna open your MetaMask. It'll ask you to put a spending cap. I'm not sure if it will show for you, but it does show for me. I'm gonna put it 100 and I'm gonna go for it. So and click on approve. It probably takes some time to load. I'm not sure how much. Now, as you can see, now it's done. All I need to do now is to click on buy 900 UNS. So once I buy that, I'll probably have like 1800 because I bought 900 before. I'm gonna get 900 again. So click on buy 900 UNS. Again, confirm it, and there you go. It is done. Now I have a total of 1800 UNS, which I think is a decent amount that we put into it. But you don't have to go for this one. You can try out with the $50 or actually $60 if you want to stake. Now I'm gonna go to the staking platform. This page, links will be in the description. So we're going to stake right here, because we cannot like withdraw our UNS token without staking. So we have to stake. You can see different periods like 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. And you can see the APY that we have. For 3 months is 45, for 6 months it is 90, for 9 months it is 135, and for 12 months it is 180%. Which we know, how it works. The more amount that we go for, and the more duration that we go for, the more earning we get, the more we earn. So this is how it goes. Now I do have to connect my wallet here, so I'm going to click on connect wallet. Again, I'm going to use my MetaMask, and it is connected. Now you can see it does show my UNS balance, which is 1800. I'm gonna go all in, and what I do is usually I start slow, like I'm gonna go with 3 months. I'm gonna see how it goes. If it goes well, I'm gonna put in more and more, which is the safest thing that you can do. So I'm gonna go with max, and I'm gonna get an APY of 45%, so I'll be able to withdraw in 3 months period, and we'll see how that goes. So once you confirm that everything here is solid, you have everything checked, you're going to click on stake, and again it's going to ask you to confirm from your MetaMask. Click on confirm, and now we're gonna wait a little bit, and it should be done. Now you can see we have some information updated, and we also get the referral link, which is another perk that we get. Basically, using this link, we'll be able to invite users and we can earn through them, and you can also enter into the leaderboard when you do that, which I think is really amazing. Now I'm going to refresh the page so that we can see our history of staking. It's not loading for me, so probably when I reload it, I think that's when it's going to work. And there you go, it's right here. So we have this, we have this staked, everything looks perfect. We have the referral link. Now all we need to do is basically kind of forget about it for a while and come back in 3 months and see how much did we make. Of course, it also depends on the value of it, so which I really have good hopes, right? Now right here you can see the leaderboard in which people are basically competing. We have level 1 refer or level 2, and it shows you your earning from the level 1, from the level 2, and your total earnings. You can see people are actually earning a lot, and since this is start, so you can easily compete in here because there's not a lot of people right now, which is the benefit that we got because we're early. So this is an option that we have, that we can compete in this leaderboard. And there we have it. I think this is a wonderful platform for us to earn, to stake, to get a good APY, because the whole platform is pretty decent. It is safe, it is secure. I'm going to give you guys links so you can check it out for yourself. So I think this is a good way to make passive income. I'm going to see how much I'm going to make through this, and if it goes well, I'm going to put in more and more, which I think is the best course of action to take, which I'll suggest you guys do that too. But yeah, this is all of you guys in this video. If you have any question, of course, you can put them in the comment section, and I'll give you guys links that will be in the description, so make sure that you got those from there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one shortly, so stay tuned.